I look so naked. I don't even recognize myself.
Seeing those right